Hello everyone, welcome to Ajin's computer programming practice session. I have created a list of 100 patent printing challenges for new computer programmers. Each patent programs will be discussed in the programming languages C, Java, Python, C++. If you are interested in any programming languages that listed above, this program will be extremely beneficial. This challenge is also great if you really want to know how same logic works in different programming languages. Let's get into the specifics of the challenge. 100 patent printing challenge is the title. Each patent video will be divided into 3 sessions. First will be introduction of patent, second will be logical explanation of patent, third will be implementation of patent in programming language. In the first session, the patent will be displayed in the video. You can pause it there to practice the logic creation. If you are unable to find the logic, then return to the video and examine the logical explanation. After listening to the logical explanation session, you can pause the video again and start implementing the logic in your programming language. At last, you can return to the video to view other solution. This is what I expect from everyone who takes part in this challenge. So if you have any questions about the challenge, you can leave them on the comment section. So share this video and stay tuned for the very first challenge.